Nice to see you, Senator. Pardon me. Look, Madonna. Happy New Year, Commissioner Gordon.
I had hoped that it would be, Batman. But the Joker's been spotted in Gotham Square.
With a big celebration in full swing, he must be up to something big to come out of hiding after so long.
You know the Joker. Whatever it is, it's bound to happen at midnight.
That doesn't give us much time. I'm on my way.
Godspeed, Batman.
Alfred,
What is it, sir?
have you seen Robin?
Master Grayson and Miss Gordon left the party earlier. Shall I reach him for you, sir?
Tell him to meet me in Gotham Square right away.
Of course, sir.